Welcome to Top Winner Academy. Today we will be dealing with 19 October 2020 current affairs. Right. Okay, so Stuart. So what is Mission Shakti? Okay, Mission Shakti. Mission Shakti. It involves zero tolerance to the crime against women. It was launched in UP. Okay, first point, it's zero tolerance. So no tolerance to the crimes against women and launched in UP. And it is tribute to women who died after being allegedly raped by two men in Balrampur. The first phase of the Mission Shakti will focus on spreading awareness towards ensuring the safety and dignity of women and girl child. Okay, first phase, it's awareness. I will be focusing on spreading awareness towards ensuring safety and dignity of women and girl child. Okay, and the second phase, Operation Shakti, will target eve teasers and put them on the path of punishment or reforms. Right, these are the two operations of Mission Shakti. Then Buldhana pattern of water conservation. See, Maharashtra so on news, so Maharashtra's Buldhana pattern of water conservation has won national recognition, and the Niti Aayog is in process of formulation of national policy on water conservation based on it. Right. The synchronization of national highway construction and water conservation was achieved for the first time in Buldhana district. Right. So national highway construction and water conservation. National highway construction and water conservation both gone simultaneously. That was the speciality of Buldhana pattern of water conservation. See, by using the soil from the water bodies, nalas and rivers, okay, led to the increase of capacity of the water storage across the water bodies in the Buldhana that was used for the construction of what national highways. Okay, that is known as Buldhana pattern. With this activity, Maharashtra 225 lakh cubic meter of soil was used in the national highway construction, and the resultant of widening or deepening resulted in increasing 22,000 and 500,000 cubic meter of water storage capacity with no cost to the state government. Okay, then a state development loans regarding the state development loan. Then why in news? In news, because RBI will conduct the first ever open market operations to purchase state development loans. That was in news. The state development this state development loans are dated securities issued by the state for meeting their market borrowing requirements. Okay, if a state wants to borrow in the market, they can put the state development loans. Okay, see, purpose of issuing state development loans is to meet the budgetary needs of the state governments. Okay, so each state can borrow every state can borrow. Each state can borrow up to a set of limit through state development loans. Right. State development loan securities are eligible securities for SLR and LAF, liquidity LAF of RBI. Okay, so LAF means liquidity adjustment facilities of RBI. Right, then what are open market operations? So we will be studying in economy sessions completely, but again, what are open market operations? It is the simultaneous sale and purchase of the government securities and treasury bills by the RBI. Okay, RBI is a bank of the government, so it is a simultaneous sale and purchase of government securities and treasury bills by the RBI. The objective of open market operation is to regulate the money supply in economy. Okay, it's to regulate the money supply in the economy. See, RBI carries out the open market operations through commercial banks and does not directly deal with the public. Okay, so RBI will give money to the commercial banks, and commercial banks are dealing with the public, not the RBI directly. Okay, this is SDL. Then Gorkha Land movement. See, what was the Gurkhaland movement? See, Gurkhaland movement is a campaign to create a separate state of India in the Gurkhaland region, that means the West Bengal region, right? The proposed state includes hill regions of Darjeeling districts, Kalimpong district, and those regions of included Jabalguri, Alitpurdur, and parts of Kuchibar districts. Okay, if pronunciation is wrong, please excuse me. These are all other words, see, not in my language, so please excuse me. Okay, a demand for the separate administrative unit in Darjeeling has existed since 1909 with Morley Minto reforms. Okay, why in news? Ministry of Home Affairs invited West Bengal government, the Gorkha Territorial Administration, Gorkha Janmukti Morcha for a tripartite meeting. Okay. Then sex ratio at birth. What is sex ratio at birth? So it is defined as a number of girls born for every 1,000 boys born. That is sex ratio at work. Okay. Then the natural sex ratio at birth is around 105 boys per 100 girls, ranging from around 103 to 107 boys. So why in news? See, SRS report shows that the sex ratio at birth in India measures as the number of females per 1,000 males decline. It was declined marginally from 906 in 2011 to 899 in 2018. So it was a decline. Sex ratio has got to decline in 2018 from 2011. Okay, the last one, China passes a new law restricting sensitive exports. See, under the law, China can take reciprocal measures towards countries or regions that abuse export controls and threaten its national security and interest. Okay, to reciprocate, it is to reciprocate against US as a tension mount between the sides over the trade and technology. So there is tension between US and China. So this is the reciprocate against or retaliate against the US measures. Okay, the law which will apply to all companies in China. That means whether it is a foreign company or it is Chinese company, it is allowed to both companies. Okay, export control under the law will apply to civilian, military and nuclear products as well as goods, technologies and services related to national security. A list of controlled items will be published in a timely manner in conjunction with relevant departments according to the law. Okay, the new law allows Beijing to retaliate against the US, which in recent months has attempted to block Chinese technology firms such as telecommunications gear supplier Huawei, ByteDance, TikTok app and Tencent messaging app WeChat on grounds of posting a national security threat, including the data they may possess from operating the country. So US has banned a lot of Chinese apps, that's a TikTok, WeChat, etc. So in retaliation of that, China did all these. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Okay, thank you very much. And companies and individuals who endanger the national security by breaching the new export control law will, including those outside China, could face criminal charges. Okay, so whoever it may be breaching this new law can face criminal charges. Okay, so stopping today. Thank you very much.